In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms for product intake requests in ClickUp. ClickUp is an incredibly versatile project management platform designed to help teams stay organized, streamline their workflows, and boost productivity. One of its standout features is the ability to create customizable forms, which can be used for a variety of purposes, including collecting project intake requests. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of setting up a form in ClickUp step by step so you can ensure your team has all the information they need to get started on new projects. Let's dive in. First, start by navigating to your ClickUp team space. Once you're there, look for the plus button. This is your starting point to add new elements to your workspace. Go ahead and click on that plus button to open up the menu of options. From the menu that appears, select the Form option. This will allow you to create a form that can be shared with your team or external stakeholders. Forms in ClickUp are a fantastic way to standardize the way you gather information, making it easier to stay organized. Next, you'll see a variety of templates to choose from. For this purpose, locate and select the project intake template provided by ClickUp. This template is specifically designed to help you collect key details about new projects efficiently. It includes pre-filled fields that are commonly needed for project requests. Once the template is loaded, take a moment to review the pre-filled fields. These will typically include important sections like project name, priority level, and attachments. These fields are designed to capture the essential information your team will need to assess and manage the project. At this stage, you can customize the form to better suit your team's unique needs. You might want to add additional fields, remove ones that aren't relevant, or rearrange the order of the fields to create a logical flow. This flexibility ensures that your form is tailored to your workflow. When you're happy with the structure of your form, click on the Preview option. This will show you exactly how the form will look and function when it's live. Take a close look at the design and usability to make sure everything appears just right. If you notice any issues during the preview, or if adjustments are needed, don't worry. You can easily go back and edit the form. Make all the necessary tweaks to ensure the form is clear, functional, and user-friendly. Once your form is finalized, it's time to make it live. Locate the Publish setting and toggle it on. This step allows your form to be accessible to others so they can start using it to submit their project intake requests. After publishing the form, you'll be provided with a unique link. This is the link you'll use to share the form with others. Copy the link and you're ready to distribute it. There are several ways you can share your form. You can send the link via email, share it in Slack channels, or even embed it on your company intranet. Choose the method that works best for your team and ensures that the form is easily accessible to everyone who needs it. If you are new to ClickUp, you'll find a registration link in the description below to get started. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared a customized project intake form using ClickUp. With this form in place, your team will have all the critical details they need to evaluate and kick off new projects effectively. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.